Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Stylus style writing into Notion. First, open your browser and go to Excalidraw. Once the website loads, you will see a blank canvas. This will be your digital whiteboard. Now start drawing or writing anything you want. You can use a stylus if you are on a tablet or your mouse if you are on a computer. Excalidraw gives you tools like pen, shapes, and text, so you can create notes, diagrams, or sketches easily. Take your time and create your content just the way you like it. You can move objects around, resize them, and organize your ideas clearly on the board. Once you are done, go to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the share icon and click on it. A menu will open. From there, click on Export to Link. This will generate a shareable link for your whiteboard. Copy that link. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want to add your stylus writing. Inside the page, type / on your keyboard. Then type embed and select the embed option from the list. A field will appear asking for a link. Paste your Excalidraw link into that field and confirm. Your whiteboard will now appear directly inside your Notion page. You can resize it and adjust its position just like any other block. The best part is that you can still edit the whiteboard, and the changes will reflect inside Notion. Thanks for watching.